For letters and sounds, we are going to be turning our ears on for our listening activity. Turn them on, and we're going to listen very carefully. Tune into the sounds you can hear, because it's a little bit of a game, this one. So what you have to do is listen to the sounds you can hear and have a little guess what you think might be inside my special shakers. Now these are little bottles. You can make these at home. You can use anything you can find to make your own shaker, okay? And this is just a yogurt drink bottle, and I've got you can use cake cases with elastic bands over the top. It's not sealed, you can take it off easily. It's not sellotaped or anything, but you can make your own shakers. But to make a shaker, you have to put something inside. It's a filling inside. So some might be loud and some might be quiet. Let's just try and remember what loud and quiet is. So when we're in the nursery, we always say, have you got your quiet voice? And you say, yes, I've got my quiet voice. And sometimes we do a little test. When we're outside, we say, have you got your loud voice? And then you say, yes, I've got my loud voice. Because we can use our loud voices outside, can't we, children? So, some of these shakers might sound loud, and some might sound quiet, and some might be really hard to actually hear. Okay, let's have a little listen to them first. Now, this is really hard. Normally, I might show you what it could be inside, but just today, I want you to have a little guess. Okay, so, let's try this one. Can you hear? That's what it sounds like. I wonder what could be in that one. Let's listen to another one. What did you notice about the difference in that one to the other one? That's right, that one was much louder. That one was a quiet sound. Let's see what about this one. Ooh, that's quite loud. What about this one? A bit quieter, quiet sound. Ooh, need to turn them ears up again. Wow, that was so quiet. I could only just about hear it. I wonder what could be in all of these. Let me show you what could be in these. Okay, so do you know what's in my bag here? I can squish it about. I can pour it. What could it be? It's sand. It's sand from our sand tray that we play with. I wonder which one of these might be sand. Let's listen. Can't hear that one. Oh, let's see. Sound. Shall we see if I'm right? I think that one might be the sand. It's the sand. Wow, I got it right. Well done, Mrs. Nolan's ears are working. Now I just put the elastic band back round. I can play it again then. Or I can use it to sing a song. Oops. Right, so that's one. Let's see what else one of these could be. Oh, this one. So this one is a bag of little stones. Now remember, stones are hard. So if they bang on the side of the plastic bottle, do you think they'll make a loud sound or a quiet, soft sound? A loud banging sound, because they're hard. Okay, can bang them on the table. Let's see if we can find the one that we think might have the stones in. Ready? First one I pick up. Oh, it sounds like very loud. Let's have a little look. I'm right. You see the stones. They're stones from off my drive. Right, let's put that back on and play it again another day. Okay, and then we have got other things that could be in there. Now, we had one that was really, really quiet, which was so quiet I could hardly hear it. And here we have squishy, squashy pom-pom balls. Let me see if I take one out and get in the bag. They're so squishy. Ooh, look, squishy balls, very soft. Can you hear if I squish them? No. So which one do we think that one would be with those in? No, that was the loud one. Oh. Oh. Can we hear anything? No, I really tuned my ears in then. I'm right. Look, children, it's the pom-poms. They're so soft that when they bang on the side of the plastic, listen when I drop them in. Didn't make a noise, did they? So that is the quietest. Oh, plastic band popped off. That's the quietest. And that is the soft, soft, soft pom-pom balls. Too quiet, can't hear them. Right, let's pop that on there. And then we've got, let me show you these. Now, we've been reading The Three Little Pigs. We've looked at some stones which are hard like bricks. We're now looking at some of these. Look at these. These are little sticks. They're very, very light. They're not heavy. No wonder the big bad wolf could blow down the house. They are just wooden little sticks. Let's see which one we think it might be. A few of them could be in there. Let's have a look. See if we are. Oh, look, it is. It's the sticks. The sticks are in there, and they just make a little sound, not a very loud sound. Can just about hear them. And do you know what else? Maybe I'm going to go away in a minute and make my own shaker using this. Do you know what this is? Look, children. I've been by my rabbit and I've just got some straw because the Three Little Pigs, they build their house, one of them, with straw. And there's some straw. I wonder if I put some straw in one of these bottles to make a shaker, would it make a noise? Well, maybe you could go and try that. Right, I'm going to use one of these just to teach you a little song that you can use your shaker for. Let's get the loudest. Which one was the loudest? I think it was this one with the stones. And it goes like this. If you have a shaker, you can shake, shake, shake. If you have a shaker, you can shake, shake, shake. If you have a shaker, you can shake, shake, shake. But be careful how you do it when you shake, shake, shake. That's our shakers, okay. So we might play this game another time. But for now, can you go and make a shaker? Can you make one that's got some heavy, hard materials in? And it makes a loud noise. And can you find some soft materials to put inside? If you've got a paper cup, that's a good one to use as your shaker to fill. Or a bottle, an empty bottle with a lid. They're really good to make shakers with. but anything you can find, and I would love to see some pictures if you can make some shakers, and then you can sing along. If you have a shaker, you can shake, shake, shake. If you have a shaker, you can shake, shake, shake. If you have a shaker, you can shake, shake, shake. But be careful how you do it when you shake, shake, shake. There's some cereal. Could use cereal for your shakers as well. Anyway, have lots of fun, and I can't wait to see what you make for your shakers.